So my name is Bryan Patman. I'm our Chief Operating Officer with NineSale. We are a legal and medical SEO agency. So we do SEO, paid ads, content creation, and digital PR, primarily focused in the legal space, but also have a couple of medical clients. So my kind of biggest frustration point, this is the first agency that I've been at. I've worked with other consultants before, didn't get as much out of it. A lot of it was more theory than implementation. With you guys, we've been able to pretty dramatically change the profit percentage that we're making and our overall structure of our pods, the way that we run. We've been able to really optimize them to maximize profit while still keeping our culture and making sure that our employees aren't overworked. So I had a consultant that was more of a mentor, a little bit of a different scope than what we're doing with you guys, but didn't fully understand the agency world. He's run his own businesses before, but it just didn't overlap with what we did. So a lot of the issues that I came with didn't really line up with the experience that he had. Versus I go to Nick with my problems and he's running agencies. He understands how this stuff works. So he's able to get in and there's no real ramp up time. The other consultant I had, it took like a month to ramp up and really get him to understand where we're at. Versus with you guys be able to just jump right in. So the biggest thing, I mean, you guys build out scorecards. Our executive scorecard now, we're a couple months in, so we've been using it more and more. It's just so nice to have one kind of source of truth. I was never super involved on the finance side, but now having that sheet, it just makes it so easy to see kind of where we're at from a high level. And it starts allowing us to ask other questions to the rest of our leadership team to really hone in on problems and make sure that we're running an agency that's profitable and sustainable. There's still so much more stuff that we're in process of implementing. But again, off the bat, like we're already seeing so many quick wins, and I'm feeling less all over the place. I know exactly what needs to be going on, and the processes that Nick has kind of helped put in place have kind of aligned me with where I need to go versus running around trying to figure out every single problem. It's kind of put us in a really good trajectory. So as we are scaling, like we were able to do it properly, and it's not chaos. It's controlled, and we can do it the right way. I mean, we just had a call this morning with the whole team to go over a state of the company. Our billable to non-billable is actually up 2% quarter over quarter. Seems small, but from an actual time spent with how big our team is now, definitely a nice win there. Yeah, outside of that, our profit numbers, I mean, we've always been pretty good at kind of managing and looking at where we're at. But with the way that we have stuff set up, and one of the big things that Nick helped with was offshoring some of the lower level work. That allows us to get our direct labor efficiency ratio much higher. And our higher skilled employees are able to focus their time on the things that are actually moving the needle and working and not stuck doing as much admin. He's also really helped. We had an issue with our meeting culture, I guess in a good way, where our team was meeting constantly about problems versus trying to do stuff async. We've slimmed it down, streamlined all of those kind of processes and meetings. And again, we're finding time and buying back time that would have been lost if we never really focused on it. I think it was the agency dashboard. So obviously this will be for people that are looking to work with you guys. We have, I want to say 6 different scorecards that all feed into one master dashboard. Being able to just see all of that information in one spot, and then from there working with Nick to say, hey, our profit number looked lower for this month. Let's figure out what caused that, and then how do we make sure that we can avoid that in the future if it's something that is not necessary. So that was looking through. We actually had this call on Tuesday, 2 days ago, where we looked through all of the information. Everything is in there properly now, and we were able to pick out some very small things in our P&L of just like, hey, these are things that we should not be spending on. And from a marketing standpoint, here's a couple events that we probably want to avoid in the future because we didn't get the ROI that we were looking for. And then outside of that, again, just having outsourced employees that are able to take on the lower level work and really focusing on the profit number. And in the beginning, seeing the actual percentages that Nick lays out of, hey, you want to be at this 35% profit mark. Internally, we've always had 20 to 25% in our head, but it was really just kind of the eye-opening of like, hey, you can get here. And Nick walking us through how he runs the agencies that he's ran. It's clear like, hey, this is actually possible versus I had a barrier in my own mind of like, no, that's not possible based on the math that I've worked out. And I know Nick's tested different ways of doing this. A lot of what we did was he was sending me videos for me to review and play with these different scorecards or just kind of write down questions. And then I came to the next meeting with those questions or my ideas. That allows us to speed us through pretty quickly. He said we were one of the faster agencies to get through the trainings. I know he's super busy, but able to hop on a quick call, enter emails, and just kind of help me. He's also been a really great sounding board. I've had a couple internal things where I kind of wanted another agency owner's kind of thoughts around it, and very willing to jump in, give personal experience, and help me build out a roadmap on how I'm going to handle it. Realizing as we scale, people is the most important thing, and one of the more difficult things is managing people. So we have a really strong team, but when issues do come up, it's really nice when he's able to give me ideas like, hey, I've had this happen before, or if I was in your shoes, this is how I would do it. We work through the issue, and then I'm more prepared versus me kind of going in blind and doing my best with my gut feel. I mean, we've been with you guys for 4 or 5 months now. Immediately saw the value in it. If you're in an agency where you feel like you're 50, 60, 70% confident in what you guys are doing, like there is just so much room to grow. And I felt very strong about how we were running everything. We just hit our 10-year anniversary 2 days ago, but there's always going to be room to grow. And again, if you're doing more than 150, 200K a month in MRR, you're going to see those benefits. It's going to pay for itself very quickly. And then from there, it's just a kind of growth. And again, you also get that feeling of like, hey, I'm doing things right. I have a good sounding board. And again, you eke out 1 or 2% more profit. You're covering most of your costs. So it's definitely worth the investment. We've been super happy with everything. And again, it's one of the few consultants that we used on the operations side that's actually worked out for us, and we're seeing positive ROI.